dead end. But we're gonna go check it out anyway. Pretty hardcore. Hardcore parkour. So you can see where you're going better. That's the meme. Have you ever seen that one where it says, "Quiet down, Luke Bryan, I need to see where I'm going." I mean, I never saw anything that said private property. It's, yeah. I mean, there's a spot where I don't even know how it crosses the river. Dude, this is awesome. I could ride this all day long. Yeah, like out in Colorado, this would be fun as shit. I mean, trails, yeah. I'm ripping, bro. Oh, over there, yeah. This is somebody's own private fucking Jeep trail. This is awesome. No? I mean, there's just a posted sign there on the right, but I mean, that's the property off of the road. This is still, I mean, I would think a county road. There's a gate up here. I mean, you can come up here and turn around. Yeah, it's all gated now. This is what I was afraid of. Will not tolerate trespassing. Keep out. That's fun though. Come right in front of me so I can get you on video. Like right now my hands are numb as fuck, and I'm not even really gripping that tight. I'm not nervous or nothing, you know, like I'm just